So again, these are the important responsibilities. Process improvements in terms of taking the calls and answering the calls. If you find any improvement that can be done, you can also suggest. But mainly, primarily, your responsibility will be to address the service calls from United States customers and organize the services as per the customer requirement, and tell them about the services or products offered by Synchrony. Then coming back to your, what are the qualification requirements? They need only undergraduates or graduates. That means any degree is fine, or any diploma is also fine. Undergraduates means somebody having diploma is also fine. So they should be able to work in 24 by 7 work environment, because the call center means it will be working round the clock. So obviously the customer will expect somebody to answer their calls. So you should be willing to work in 24 by 7 environment. So in the rotational shifts, you should be able to work. And obviously you should have excellent English communication skills, and you should also have some good knowledge of how to use computers. Like for example, how to log the customer request or customer complaint. You have to log it in the website, and you have to prepare some Excel sheets of all the complaints, or you may have to update some existing complaint, resolve, put the resolution comments, things like that. So you should have good hands on with the computer, particularly using the internet and Excel sheets mostly. And that's what is all about the qualifications and requirements. So how do you go about attending this interview? Before going to that, again I will request that you please subscribe to my channel, that is Tech Talents India. Then here is the interview uh, locations. Like, so it is basically Hyderabad location job. The job location is Hyderabad. So you can attend the interview from Monday to Friday, anytime between 2 to 6 p.m. So basically you send them your resume to this particular mail id, career underscore Hyderabad @syf.com. So I'll repeat again, career underscore hyd @syf.com. So that is the email id where you need to send your resume, and they will call you back, and mostly you will be interviewed between this 2 to 6 p.m. slot, any day between Monday to Friday. So be prepared for that. Again, you can go through this uh, salary structure. Maybe I'm just looking at the Google, and if I look for Synchrony salaries, so what they say is the Google is giving me that a senior customer service representative is likely to get about 41,000 per month. It's very good salary, fantastic salary. That again, that is for senior customer service representative. What about juniors? So maybe juniors customer service representative salaries, here you can see, just simply customer service representative is likely to get around 16,000 per month. So plus free cab or something they may be providing, but basically you will get at a minimum of 16,132 salary. But as you grow as a senior, then you are likely to get 42,000 after 3 to 4 years maybe. So you should target for initially to get something on hand as a simple customer service representative. So at around 16,000 you can start off. So that's all. And same thing if you look at in US. So in US the customer service executive is getting around 27,000, bottom line $27,000 per year. And if you are little bit senior or bilingual customer service associate, you are likely to get $32,000 per year. This is also amazing salary in the US, of course. But comparatively in India, of course, you are getting almost good enough to survive as a beginner, that is 16,000 salary. So don't miss this opportunity and apply for this job immediately. If you need any help in preparation of this particular job, you can always reach to us at this particular mail id. So my mail id is info @